What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Here I am going to share Temu promo code you can use right now and get up to 90% off by simply using this code, and you will get amazing discount if you are new or existing user. So what you need to do, simply click the link in the description, then you will redirect it into this type of customized link. After clicking link in the description, you are eligible to use code. Okay, so simply click the link in the description, then you will redirect it into this type of Temu website, then select what you want to buy, then add this code on a checkout page to get 90% discount. This is method number one, and if this method is not working, use this method number two. The method number two is you need to left your current Temu account and create new Temu account in other devices, for example in different mobile phone, tablet, PC or a laptop, using link in the description and new email id which you not used before in Temu. Then simply select what you want to buy, then add this code on the checkout page to get discount on Temu. Go try this. If method number one is not working, method number two will definitely work for you. You must need to follow all this method through link in the description to use that, because that link is customized link. Go try this and you will get amazing discount.